Great stuff. The new single there from Strawberry Switchblade.